So District 26, the battleground seat, this is the seat that the nation is looking at. The Republicans want to keep and the Democrats want back. You had that seat already and you were defeated in 2014. Why do you want to run for that seat again?
Look, I love that area. When no one thought it could be taken by a Democrat, we were running there. And it's one of the most beautiful, one of the most complex, and one of the most exciting places in the country, right? You've got, it's got more national parkland than any other state in the southeast, because you've got the whole Everglades. Not only the Everglades part that's physically land, but then you've got the water park, which is Florida Bay, and then you've got Biscayne Bay Park, which are all national reserves. Then you've got all the coral reefs and everything in that area. You've got the largest, most productive agricultural farmland per acre, which is the whole area of Homestead. You've got some of the best and most expensive houses in that area, and then you've got some of the best working class neighborhoods like Westchester, where I grew up, or Horse Country, or the Redlands, Florida City. You've got areas like middle class neighborhoods which have lots of county employees, like Richmond Heights. You've got parts of Goulds, Naranja, Cutler Bay. It's beautiful. It's South Florida. It's complex. It's one of the most diverse districts in the country, where you have a huge Hispanic population, a large African-American population, a population of Anglos that live there that's very dispersed. You've got also, add to that, Haitian Americans, Colombian Americans, Cuban Americans, and every other hyphen American possible, but they're all Floridians. And when we were there, we enjoyed the job we did. We enjoyed representing them, and we gave a voice to the people of South Florida that didn't have a voice.